So the match is over. Man, that was a close call. Ghana almost lost though. It was 3-2. South Korea did a good job. I ain't even gonna capture them. I ain't gonna hold you, man. They did good. I didn't know they played like that. But yeah, about to get rid of it. Ready for nothing. I'm gonna reset. So I'm about to go in there. Go brush my teeth. Let's see what's up. See if I could cook something today. You heard? That was close. That was close, man. It was a good game though. It was fun. It was. And then I believe what's the name? Portugal and then the Uruguay playing at 11 p.m. Well, 11 p.m. 11 a.m. in California time. I'll be watching. I'm going against Portugal. You know, cause Ronaldo be diving way too much. I hate him. I don't like Ronaldo, man. I like Messi though. I like Messi. Where my socks here? Right there. I'm gonna put on my socks and shit. It's just kind of cold outside. It's kind of cold outside. It's kind of cold outside. So I'm about to go brush my teeth and see what I could do. See what I could probably cook. Alright. Y'all see that Peterborough right there? Maybe one day I'm gonna get mine. Maybe one day I'm gonna get mine. One day. One day I'm gonna get mine. So yeah, I'm about to go brush my teeth. Let's see what's up. So I'm planning on, well, I don't have a grill, so I'm planning on using my air fryer to cook me something today. Let's see what it do. I woke up way too early because I decided to watch the game, and it was worth it though because we won. You heard? We won the game, so yeah, it was worth it. I woke up at 5 a.m. and I gotta go brush my teeth because I decided to wake up way too early, which is alright. I don't work today, so I could sleep anytime I want. You heard? I could sleep anytime I want. Fries. Prime fry. It's a big pallet out here. It's pretty big. We got a lot of parking too. It's a big one. It's in Red Bluff, California. It's a big one. Go through this side. There's a show. And yeah. Man, stuff out here is expensive. Pretty clean. Okay. Alrighty. So I'm about to make it. I just got done brushing my teeth and everything. I'm about to make some hot chocolate. You feel me? I got some cereal. I got some ramen noodles. I got sugar right here. But I'm gonna make me some hot chocolate. You feel me? You know what? Just to start off my day, just make a hot chocolate. So I'm about to use my rice cooker right here. I'm gonna boil water right here. Yeah, make my hot chocolate. Peterbilt's still right there. Man, imagine cleaning this stuff. This is gonna be my next truck I buy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's gonna be my next truck. You feel me? All right. Let me get my water right here. And then I'm gonna dunk it in here. Damn. I'm gonna need more because yeah, probably use all of them. Yeah, I probably use the whole bottle. Yeah. Okay. Now let's cook it. It's a warm or cook, but I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna cook my water so it can be cooked. Yup. Who said you can't cook water? Who told you you can't cook water, bro? They're tripping. They're tripping till this day. Cause you could cook it till this day. Till this day. Better make a hot chocolate. I got some bread in my fridge. Amigo, look, amigo. That's a Mexican guy. He a good keeper too. But Messi scored him though, from a long range. How sad. Okay, put my bread right here. Yeah, I got me some milk. Man, this milk, bro. Oh no, bro. You be getting you the runners. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can make this right here today. I'm gonna do with my I don't have a grill, so I'm gonna just use my rice cooker. I mean, not my rice cooker, but my air fryer. See if it works. Garlic and herb. I never tried it. Hopefully it's good. Let's see. I'm trying to measure it. And I got this. Oh no, it's a white shrimp. I never had it before. I'm gonna see if it's good too. It looks so white. It don't look seasoned, so I'm gonna probably put some seasoning. I got my own season. You heard? So I'm gonna use it. And I got me some microwave burgers and stuff. I got some potatoes. Got some what's it name? Fries. Some butter right here. Some chocolate. You want some? Some African chocolate. Yeah. I got me this one. I was trying to use a microwave. I don't know if I could use the microwave to cook it. I'm gonna try it though. See if it's good. I'm gonna use a microwave to cook it. Alright, time. Alright, time. So, I'm gonna try to eat good today. Y'all heard? Trying to eat good today. Man, this fridge be open every time you're making turns and stuff. This fridge the fridge just be like that. Bam, just out like that. Bam. Every time I'm sitting right here, I just use my hands like this. Oh man, that's crazy, yo. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get back to you later when I'm done with my hot chocolate. Peace. All right, so I'm gonna see how it's coming out. It's kind of bright. It's going out pretty good though. Flipped it. Is it burnt or is it not? I don't think it is. Like that. Yo, this shit tastes good, man. God damn. This shit's fine, yo. I think it's ready. It is ready, so yeah. Nah, that's not brand, yo. That's not brand at all. Don't even worry about it. This is good. I think I'm done with it. I think I'm done with it. Yes, sir, yo. I got my rice ready. And I got my rip ready. Just making some regular ass rice. I'm gonna put my water in there. Oh. What the hell? She broke. I think that's enough. Looks enough to me. Alright, yeah. Some plain ass white rice. It's alright though. You heard? Put my salt. Yeah, I think that's good too, right? Yeah, it looks alright to me. Give me my spoon. You don't want to come out. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, this spoon is killing me right here. Got my spoon. Stir it up. Stir it up. I'm making rice, mate. Isn't it? Not tasty. Ah, not salty. It's pretty good. So that's perfect. Now my rice is. All I just gotta do is put it in there and heat it. Yes, sir. I think I'm eating good today. I don't think. I just know. Put a little bit of water in here, yo. All right. Sound like perfect. A little bit of salt too, yo. Perfect. Gotta stir it up a little bit more. Bam. Bam. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, y'all. I'll be back soon. So, done with my food. Everything ready. My rice is ready. So. Yep, my rice is ready. So everything looking ready for me to eat. I got my ribs in the microwave. My rice is ready. So, man, that was pretty good. Y'all should get it. Y'all should get a. If you don't have an air fryer in your truck, you should get one, man. Cause air fryer is everything, y'all. I make everything with air fryer. And then my rice cooker too. I boil my water on it. In it. And I cook my rice in it. So microwave, air fryer, save your life, yo. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna be back with my video when I'm about. I'm gonna go take I'm gonna go take my shower in a little bit. Free shower, so why not, right? I'm gonna get a free shower. I got points. I'm gonna show y'all how my point. How many points I got right now. I'm gonna show y'all my points. All right. So there's a point. There's a points I have right here now. So I be getting free showers and stuff. So you feel me? So in a little bit, I'm gonna go take my shower. In a little bit, I'm about to go take my shower. So yep. All right, yo. About to eat my food, get my energy back. Cause all I ate today was the hot chocolate. My hot chocolate. So yes, sir. Peace.